Now after this we have the second exercise, that is fill in the blank in each sentence with the simple past tense of the verb given in brackets. Now the first one was to use present tense, and this one is to use simple past tense. Now we dashed Japan last year. So I have taught you that whether your subject is singular or plural, you have always used verb second form in the case of simple past tenses. So this is the very simplest exercise because we only have to use verb first second form, which is given here. We will convert this verb first form into second one, and then we will write this over here. So we visited Japan last year. Second form of visit is visited. He dashed be a good student in school. He was. Second form of be is was. The minister spoke at the meeting. Speak, spoke is the second form. The family dashed. The family moved to a new flat last month. The tourist arrived by air. He painted the picture. We took many photographs of the city. Everyone heard the good news. Mary felt very tired after the long walk. She brought her pet to school. So this is the simplest tense in which we only have to convert this verb first form given in the brackets into the second form, and then we have to fill all these statements. So exercise 1 and 2 is done over here. Exercise 3 is about to fill all the sentences. Either you can use the simple present or the simple past tense, whichever is correct according to the statement. So I am assigning you this exercise as your practice exercise, which you have to do by yourselves on your books, or you may download this book from Google and then you can solve this exercise over there. So this is all about this chapter which we have done today, that is the simple present and simple past tenses, on page number 143, and this is your English Understand and Communicate book 1. Thank you.